Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center, and right now it's fall. So I want to give you some quick tips on how to prevent injury when you're raking your leaves. So biggest thing is, before you go out, make sure it's a little bit later in the day so you're warmed up. You can take a brisk walk for about 5 minutes just to get your body warmed up. You want to make sure, if you want, to do some stretches. So you don't want to strain your back. So some side bends, just basically warming your body up and getting your body ready to rake. Couple things with the proper equipment, making sure that you're using the right equipment for the job. Rakes, they come in different sizes. The larger the tine, the more leaves they're going to pick up. If you're using a blower, you want to make sure that you're using the chest strap and the waist strap as much as possible, and making sure it's not too heavy for you, and making sure that the rake is the right size for you and it fits you. So when you are raking, you want to prevent some injuries. So you want to avoid repetitive motion. So when you're always using the same side, you want to make sure that you switch sides to sides. So if you're always using your right hand and raking one position, if you can, switch, rake the opposite position if you can. So every couple minutes, just change positions. The other thing is raking downhill would be good. Raking with the wind would be really good. And making sure that even if you have a really big job, that you're using a tarp. Raking into a tarp and using those wonderful leaf catchers, if you have to bag your leaves, are wonderful. Last but not least, you want to see your chiropractor before the job and after the job. So we say sandwich it. So if you know you're going to rake on the weekend, come in on Friday, come in on Monday. Just plan for it. Because we want to make sure that we prevent injury, and also making sure that your body's in a really good position to keep you feeling good and keep you healthy. Last but not least, so if you have children, you can make your kids do it. Or you can do what I do and actually pay someone. Because if you're looking, I'm standing in my backyard and we have a lot of leaves. A lot of leaves. So this job is a little too big for me and my children, so we actually hire it out. So hopefully those tips help you. So have fun, enjoy, and also make a big pile and jump into them. Be a kid again. Have a wonderful day. Dr. Saylor from Van Every Family Chiropractic Center.